Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be an affordable drugstore makeup look on this look right here. This look takes about 5 to 10 minutes in the morning. Super quick and easy and uses only a few products. You'll get it done really fast, but it's still perfect for those days where you don't really want to wear a full face of makeup, but it still gives you a bit of coverage, a bit of definition to the eyes. So I really like it and have been using it a lot in the summer because I like really lightweight makeup in the summer, so I really wanted to share it with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing how to get this look in about 5 minutes with all affordable drugstore makeup, just keep on watching. Alright, so let's just get started. I'm going to start off with some primer. I'm going to be using the Catrice Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base. I want to use this one so that I get a really smooth base and it's matte all day. When you use less makeup, your skin tends to break through it easier just because there's less of it. So I like using a mattifying primer to make sure the makeup stays in place all day long. And this is just a really good one at kind of smoothing your skin out. While that primer is kind of setting in, I'm just going to quickly do my brows. I'm going to be using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. And I'm just going to quickly run this through my brows. I'm not going to apply too much of this because I don't want too thick of a brow today. And just brush through them. Let's go on to the face now. I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This stuff is amazing, and I'm just going to be dotting this where I want coverage, not to the whole face, so my eyelids a little bit, between my brows. And I'm going to be kind of spot concealing with this. I'm not going to be putting it all under my eyes because I don't really have dark circle down here. It's more in this inner corner, so that's the only place I'm going to apply it, and then just spot concealing everywhere else. Then I'm just going to take a brush. This is the Real Techniques foundation brush, one of my faves. It's really good at spreading out all the products, so that's what I'm going to do with this. Just blend everything all out. As you can see, that gave me very minimal coverage. It just kind of, you know, covered up some of my scarring or blemishes and stuff like that. But super minimal. I do like concentrating the concealer on my eyelids because then it makes me look more awake. As you can see, very minimal coverage. You can still see like all my freckles and stuff through it, but it's the perfect amount for like super quick natural makeup. And of course we still have to set it. I'm not going to use too much powder, but still a little bit. This is the Coty Airspun. And we are just going to go in with a little poof, concentrating this powder on my eyelids because that's where I put most of the product. And because we're not really doing eyeshadow today, I don't want this concealer on my eyelid to crease, so I need to make sure I set it really well with some powder. And then just anywhere I applied the concealer, so like the cheeks. And I like this powder because it gives you a little bit extra coverage, which is perfect for this look, and it doesn't look too cakey on the skin, so really nice. I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. This is the NYX Sun and Bronze. It has a bit of a shimmer to it, so it's perfect for this look because it will add some light and luminosity to the skin. So I'm just going to quickly kind of fluff this all over, not really concentrating it too much, like not really doing contouring with it, just more bronzing up the perimeter of my face. This one sits really nicely on the skin because, again, it's not too powdery. It has a bit of that sheen to it, so you don't need like foundation for it to adhere to the skin. So looks really beautiful on. And then I'm going to add a bit of blush too. Gotta add some color back to the skin. I'm going to take this Milani Luminoso Baked Powder. This is what this looks like right here. It's a really nice natural peachy color. I love using this for natural makeup looks like this. I'm just using a fan brush to really wisp it out, and I'm even going to apply a bit over my nose to make the look really natural, like I've been out in the sun or something. This one has a bit of a sheen to it, so again it'll give you that luminosity to your skin. And the last step for the face is going to be highlighter. This is the Physicians Formula Shimmer Brick Highlighter in the shade Warm Nude. I'm going to be taking my highlighter brush and concentrating it in this top area right here, tapping off excess product and hitting the top of the cheekbone. This one doesn't have any glitter in it. It's like just a pure sheen, so it looks super natural on the skin, but still gives you that highlighted look. So just applying that. And then I'm also going to be using this on the eyes. I'm going to take this light shade and highlight my inner corner with this to brighten up the eyes a little bit. And then I'm going to be taking the bronzer and putting a crease brush in there, kind of mixing all the bronzer shades together. And I'm just going to go in my crease just to warm up the crease a little bit, give it a bit of definition. And then I'm going to be going back into this highlighter, and I'm going to be going into these bronzy shades right here with my finger. And I'm just going to be smoothing this onto my lid. And then last but not least, I'm going to take a dark brown at the bottom here and go on the outer corner. Then I'm going to be finishing off the eyes with some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar X Fiber Mascara. This stuff works wonders, makes your lashes look really, really voluminous, so I love it for these type of days. And I'm just going to start with the Step 1 mascara, and I'm going to apply it to my top and bottom lashes. And then I'm going to be going in with Step 2, which is just on the other side, and this will add the volume. And I'm just going to be putting this on my top lashes because I don't really need any volume on the bottom ones. And to finish off the lips, I'm just going to be doing a subtle gloss. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Zodiac Color Icon Lip Gloss in the shade Libra. It's a really pretty pink shade with some shimmer, so I love how it looks on the lips. I'm just going to apply it. That is it for this makeup look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and hopefully you found it helpful if you're looking for a really quick and easy tutorial with all drugstore and affordable makeup items. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on my post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post new videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.